Welcome to the world of industrial chic wall art, where creativity and sustainability come together in stunning harmony. In this artistic journey, we explore how to transform scrap metal and wood into beautiful home decor pieces that reflect your unique style. The industrial aesthetic is more than just a design choice. It's a celebration of repurposing materials that might otherwise go to waste. Imagine breathing new life into discarded metal and weathered wood, turning them into eye-catching focal points for your space. Each piece tells a story, showcasing the beauty of imperfections and the charm of reclaimed materials, all while contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Creating your own industrial chic wall art not only enhances your home, but also fosters a sense of accomplishment. As you embark on this creative endeavor, you'll discover the joy of working with your hands and expressing your artistic vision. The process allows for endless customization, enabling you to experiment with various textures, colors, and designs. Whether you're an experienced DIY enthusiast or a curious beginner, transforming scrap into art offers a rewarding experience. So roll up your sleeves and let your imagination run wild as you craft stunning pieces that not only beautify your home, but also resonate with your values and inspiration. The appeal of industrial chic design lies in its authenticity and rugged charm. Materials like reclaimed wood carry a story, featuring character marks from years of use. These imperfections can add charm and intrigue to your decor, making each piece unique. Metal, with its cold sheen and structural integrity, contrasts beautifully with the warmth of wood, creating striking visual dynamics. Together, they evoke an ambience that is both inviting and edgy, perfect for any contemporary space. To get started, gather your materials. Look for local salvage yards or thrift shops where you can find scraps of metal and wood. Consider pieces of old furniture, pallets, or even discarded appliances that can be repurposed. Each material has its own texture and color palette, providing a rich tapestry to work with. The beauty of working with scrap is in its unpredictability. What may seem like useless junk can spark the most imaginative ideas when combined in innovative and unexpected ways. Next, sketch out your vision. Whether you want to create a dramatic wall art piece, a functional shelf, or an eye-catching sculpture, having a plan will guide your creative process. Think about the size and scale of your project, as well as how it will fit into your existing decor. Industrial chic designs often embrace asymmetry and bold shapes, so don't hesitate to experiment with unconventional layouts that depart from traditional aesthetics. As you begin your project, prioritize safety. Working with metal can be risky if you're not properly equipped. Wear gloves, protective eyewear, and a dust mask to safeguard against debris. Familiarize yourself with the tools you'll need, such as saws, drills, and welding equipment if you're working with metal. If you're new to this kind of work, consider starting with simpler projects that require basic tools, gradually building your skills and confidence. One popular project is creating a wall-mounted art piece. Begin by arranging your scraps on the floor to visualize how they will look on the wall. Play with different configurations until you find a layout that resonates with you. Use wood as a base to anchor the metal pieces, which can be attached using screws or brackets. This method allows for flexibility so you can easily change up your design in the future. You can also create functional decor items, like shelves or coat racks, that blend beauty and utility. A shelf made of reclaimed wood with metal brackets can serve as both a display space and a conversation starter. Consider adding hooks for coats or keys, which will enhance its practicality. This way, your art piece becomes an integral part of your home, one that combines aesthetic appeal with everyday functionality. Color is another essential aspect to consider. While industrial chic often embraces a muted palette of grays, browns, and blacks, don't shy away from introducing pops of color that complement your design. A well-placed splash of paint or a vibrant accent can elevate the overall look, drawing attention to specific elements of your art. Experiment with finishes, such as matte or glossy, to see how they can change the mood of your piece. Lighting plays a crucial role in showcasing your newly created wall art. Consider the use of spotlights or accent lighting to highlight particular features and textures in your design. The interplay of light and shadows not only brings depth, but also enhances the rugged beauty of your materials. Position your art in a way that catches the eye as you enter the room, creating an immediate focal point that sparks curiosity. Finally, share your creations with others. Whether through social media, local art shows, or home decor exhibitions, showing off your work can be incredibly rewarding. You may even inspire others to embark on their creative journeys. The beauty of industrial chic wall art lies not just in the finished product, but also in the process of creating and the conversations that arise from it. In conclusion, transforming scrap metal and wood into industrial chic wall art is an enriching experience that merges creativity with sustainability. It allows you to express your individuality while embracing eco-friendly practices. Each piece you create serves as a reminder of the beauty found in imperfection and the potential that lies within discarded materials. So gather your tools, unleash your creativity, and embark on this delightful artistic adventure. Thank you for watching our exploration of industrial chic wall art. We hope you found inspiration in transforming scrap metal and wood into stunning home decor. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more creative projects and ideas. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might also be interested in DIY and sustainable design. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting and innovative content.